Good morning! Day 2 ng aming pag-stay sa Christchurch. Ay, sa ano na tayo? Nasaan tayo, Geraldine? We're here at Geraldine. Hi, Kelsey. Na ayaw umalis. This is how it is. Buti meron akong charger. Ayan.
Today is Sunday.
Ano ba to? BF. BF ba to? BP.
And what day of the week?
What day?
Kelsey.
5?
Hindi ba ganda?
That's not the day of the week.
Kaganda, gosh. We're heading Arrowtown. Arrowtown, tapos punta muna tayo. Anong oras tayo mag-check-in?
It's a playground.
Alas 3. Pwede naman tayo ay na.
Because it's raining.
Anong oras tayo makakarating sa Arrowtown? Yan, look at that. Di ba ang ganda? 4 hours from taga Geraldine ba si Naldine? Heading to Arrowtown. Ang laki na dyan, mamaya ulit.
I was driving fast, that's why.
For you to drive
So it was
slowly.
bumpy.
Oh, yeah.
In 500 meters, turn right onto
Ayun. Queenstown, papunta doon. Since pupunta kami sa Arrowtown, doon Arrowtown. Mamaya, babalik kami doon sa papuntang Queenstown, mga drive. At nanginginig ang aking phone. At mayroong ano di, yung auto.
enter the roundabout, then arrive at your destination. Arrived.
Well, yeah.
Here at Arrowtown. Look. Welcome to Arrowtown. Free on Sorry. Ayan. We're at our town. Diba? Saan tayo? Ano ba dito sa araw ko? Ang ito patugin niya. Chocolate. Yan ang sikat na ice cream. Later na tayo. Kain na tayo. Yun.
Soon I'll be 60 years.
At our town there, going to eat. Welcome to our town. Walk. Sa Patagonia. Yun yung sikat na ice cream dito. The Patagonia. Mamaya ka. The Arrow 5 food.
Sa Thailand.
Sa Thailand. Sikat na ice cream. Mamaya na tayo mag-ice cream there. 4? What time is it?
2:30 pa lang.
That's too loud. That's why it's closed.
Dito, Don.
Everything is closed.
No, it's not.
Ito po, pero
Not close.
New Zealand.
Para ano to, mga ano? Kudak lang naman to. Grocery store. Tapos doon na tayo kakain, meron doon. Like yan, besh eh. Naghahanap sila sorry. Naghahanap sila besh ng ano, ng kainan. Like, kadalasan dito sarado man eh. Ang ganda ng view. Wow, look at the view. Look at the view. Wala tayo makain dito. Magandang view pero parang gusto ko dito sa castle. Look at the... Ayan na? Kaso beer man din.
I wanted to go.
Go where? Later pa. There? Be careful.
It's alright.
Be careful. It's okay. Daddy didn't say the ano. Okay na, nagbibideo lang ako. And that's kaya pizza man kaya. Let's get.
Video.
Patagonia. Where's the Patagonia shopping?
Oh, more.
Whoops. Wow.
I'm eating it without looking at it.
Kelsey at Dana. Nag-ice cream man sila guys eh. Stop na tayo. Tapos na kami sa Arrow Town. And si Kelsey kumakain pa ng ice cream. Si Daddy may ice cream pa dito. Ayan. At yan yung view papuntang Winston Bus. 20 minutes more. What a view. Welcome to Queenstown. Galing na kami sa Arrow Town.
Is this gonna
And
be? Is this gonna?
asan na? Andin yan yung ano. Asan yan? Ayun yung
Is this
ano.
gonna be where we sleep?
Yun yung ano, gundula.
Is this gonna be where we
Look at that. Hindi pa masyadong autumn ngayon.
Yes.
It's gonna be where we sleep?
Yes.
And
Is that
we're
where
here
we
at...
live?
Ay, dito pala tayo ano. We're here. Ano lang here at Queenstown. Ayan si Daddy.
Mountain.
Ayan si Daddy.
On your right.
And we're staying here. Oh my goodness. It's nice. Look at
Look that
this.
way, Daddy.
Here.
It's a mountain.
Look at the
Did you see
view
the mountain?
here. Ayan si guys. Welcome to Queenstown. Dito kami.
I made this one look like Korea's car.
May mga snow
Since
na.
I
May
just
mga snow.
scratched it.
And we're here at River Loads. Dito kami. Dito muna kami sa pansamantala bago kami dun sa Queenstown. Look at the view.
That looks like Korea's.
And that's Daddy going to let's go. Look at that. Look at the drum. Hindi na nakita. 19. We're here. Walang room. Oh. And that's the
It feels like a hotel.
Yuri.